The sound of clang in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of the English language to understand the phrase, clang. If you've ever been curious about this word and its uses, you're in for a treat. Clang is a noun and a verb in English. At its core, clang refers to a loud, resonant metallic sound, much like the noise you'd hear when two metal objects collide. Imagine the sound of a large bell ringing or pots and pans crashing together. As a noun, it means the loud ringing sound itself. Example, the clang of the bell signaled that it was time for lunch. As a verb, it means to make such a sound. Example, the pots clanged together when they fell off the shelf. Like many words in English, clang can also be used in a figurative manner. When used this way, it does not refer to the actual sound but instead evokes a sense of sudden realization or something striking with impact. Example, his words clanged in my mind long after he left, making me realize the truth of the situation. There are several words related to clang that you might come across. 1. Clangor, a mistake or blunder, often used in British English. 2. I dropped a clangor in the meeting by mentioning the wrong figures. 3. Clangorous, having a loud, resonant sound. 4. The city was clangorous with the sounds of construction. 5. Clangor, a continuous loud banging or ringing sound. 6. The clangor of the drums echoed throughout the valley. And there you have it. From metallic sounds to moments of realization, the word clang is both versatile and evocative in English. We hope this video has enriched your understanding and will help you use clang with confidence. Keep exploring, and until next time, happy learning!